Good morning mga boss. Back to saddle. Almost 8 months hindi tayo nakabike. 10 degrees Celsius. Grabe ang lamig. Sakit sa kamay. Push lang tayo, push. Let's go baby. Nandito na ang masasarap na tito.
She's chasing skies out of heaven.
Panis.
While I stay in
Nandito na ang masasarap na tito.
something in the way she keeps pulling.
Dito ang masasarap. Sumarap na lang, sumarap. Walang lamig-lamig. 10 degree lang eh. 10 degree lang. Walang lamig-lamig. 10 degree lang yan eh. Sumarap na lang, sumarap.
What I hope
Wala na pang lalaw, pang painit.
today,
Sumarap na ang sumarap.
get the chance
Ang mga titos.
to walk beside your
Takot sa lamig.
Mga bading. Grabe. Ang tining.
Bading!
Bading. Orange.
Malayo na kami.
She hums a
Naka-pink.
I've never heard.
Welcome to
Can't speak.
Amadi Hospital.
She writes down cities on her
Nag-aahon tayo. Nag-aahon.
she'll never keep.
Grabe yung dalawa. Iniwan
Sip
ako.
my coffee, miss my cue.
Tumayo na po.
Anchored
Boss
by
Jobert.
my feet.
Tinayuan. Tinayuan niya po.
Tumbles on
Tinay-
like gold. And soon she
Grabe. Pakalakas. Woo! Champion.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your
Thank you. KOC.